we still do reset. Reset.
Come a little closer.
Come closer so we can see you, darling. You're like on the island there. No island with us. Okay, so find your left foot. Find your left foot. And now release your weight to the right hip. Very good, very good. Now from the left foot, we'll step forward and just leave your leg on the back. Very good. So one more time. So stay like this. So in dancing, get used to stay on one leg. Because most of you, I see you stand like this, which is very actually healthy for your body to stay like this. It's good. If you're gonna stay too much on one leg in normal life, you know, it's gonna hurt, or this is gonna be shorter than this. Not good. But for dancing, we stay on one leg. It could be right leg, so now my body weight is on the right leg, or my body weight can be on the left leg. Yes? So put your body weight on the right leg. So my body weight on the right, and now you can like rest your hip to the side slightly. Yeah, keep it straight for now. Keep this leg straight, so it's not like bachata salsa. Yeah. So you see, what is hip? It's just, imagine you talk to your friend and for a long time, and you just doing this. Yeah. Straight knee, straight knee. The standing leg is straight. Standing leg, this right leg is straight. Is straight, okay? This is bent. Now from the left foot, let's take a step forward. You see, when we step forward, leave your leg behind. That's the key. It's gonna be our slow. So we say slow, and we do like this, slow. Because most of you do like this, slow. So you're already taking a second step. Got it? That's very important for Rumba. So let's try that together. We say slow, leave the leg behind. Now, if you're a little bit more advanced, you can turn it, make it pretty line. Slow, then we step side. Quick, and as we close, we change weight quick. So now we're standing on the other leg. And it should happen naturally. Now with the right foot, we're gonna step back and we will stop slow, and we're gonna leave the front foot, the left foot in front. You see how I say in the beautiful point, straight legs, straight legs. Evgeny, straight legs. Both straight, yes, both straight. So like you show the point. Now from here, you connect your feet, you go side. Quick, quick, change weight. So when we close, we change weight. So let's learn weight change. Change weight to the right. Change to the left. Change to the right. And now think of changing weight. Put arms on your hips. Let your hips help you to change your weight. You see hips like a pendulum, like a clock, moving to the left and slightly to the right. And actually this dance Rumba has a little bit hip action as well for men and females. Yes. This is how we change weight. Very good. So let's do the whole basic step from the left foot. So we say slow, quick, quick. Then we go back. Slow, quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. And when we say slow, we almost like stop here. So this is our destination, get to slow. So we go quick, quick, get to your slow, slow. So this way we want to get. Now the next one we want to get to another one slow. So we go quick, quick, slow. So what we don't want to do, we don't want to go quick and stuck in here. We want to get out from here as soon as we can to our slow. Got it? That's the concept. That's why we say slow, quick, quick. So let's try it again from the left foot. So we go slow, quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Say it together with me. Say quick, quick, slow. 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 Side, together, front. So everybody on the front. Side, together, where? Back. Side, together, front. Side, together, back. Let's try with the music. That was very good.